super.
Breaks mean our college time is 8 to 9 hours. Then we take some breaks times that reduce our stress and improve our productivity.
Very good.
That way we don't skip vacation times or personal time of enjoying with friends, playing games that way.
Okay, super. So you are insisting on that you should have small breaks in between your work.
Yes.
Very good. What's your point?
என்னோட பாயிண்ட் வந்துட்டு ஸ்டடி என்விரான்மெண்ட். இப்போ நம்ம படிக்கும்போது நம்மளோட கவனம் வந்துட்டு செதறதுன்னா ஃபஸ்ட்டு அந்த கவனம் செதறதுக்கு வந்துட்டு என்ன பண்ணுறதுன்னு யோசிக்கணும். ஒன்று நமக்கு பிடிச்ச விஷயத்த செஞ்சுட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் படிக்கலாம். இப்போ மியூசிக் நம்மளுக்கு பிடிக்கும்னா மியூசிக் கேட்டுட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்துட்டு நம்ம ஸ்டடீஸில் கான்சென்ட்ரேட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். அதுக்கடுத்து நம்ம எங்கே படிக்கிறோமோ நம்ம வந்துட்டு கம்ஃபர்ட்டான ஜோனில் உட்காந்து படிக்கணும். ரொம்ப பொலைட்டாக நம்ம படித்தோம்னா நமக்கு வந்துட்டு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக.
So you are telling that you have to have a clarity, isn't it?
Yep.
So you have to have a clarity in your mind and then start your studies. And also you are insisting that your environment should also be kept clean and all, and then you have to start studies. So I have a difference of opinion in one of your view, that is you are having a recreation beginning and you are starting your studies. There also you should have a time limitation. You are hearing for a sloga or music or ramp music, whatever it is, you should keep a time limit for that. Otherwise you will go fully with that movie. Are you agreeing with me?
Yes.
So we are thinking that we will hear this song and we will think that this song is better than that, and so instead of hearing or watching one particular thing, we will be watching more and we will be not able to maintain the time, and again that also will give you a stress, isn't it? Okay, very valid point. So he is telling about environment. What is your point?
I'm from another church. I face one more problem. It's called homesickness, because I feel I never live alone without my families. Now it's the first time I'm living alone with my friends. But sometimes I feel I have to go home. But there is lots of academic pressure. Not it's called pressure, but there is my responsibility to do my work on time. So sometimes I have to go, feel I have to go home. But my home is not so far, so nearby. So can I go like that? It's take like 48 hours to go my home. So that was my main problem is homesickness, because feeling without your family, living without your family is very difficult.
Are you feeling sometimes insecure?
Yeah.
Like your parents are there, no? Whether you are having some unwanted fear, like whether they are suffering without you, whether they are having an emotional imbalance like that and all, you used to think?
Yes, ma'am. When you are living with your parents, you can't figure out what are the problems because they are here for defend you with every problem. But when you are living outside without your families, you're facing many problems, like financially also. They only give you some certain amount of money for your pocket money. But when you are living with them, you can ask more and more, like just give me 500, 600. But when you are living outside, then you can feel how that money works and how can you manage that money. So
can you give some tips for that? How are you managing practically?
Major of the time I just when they give my pocket money, I just separate some money according to like for washing clothes we have to pay some money to wash clothes, because washing by hand is take 2 or 3 hours and dry it's also take time, and you have to figure out like where you just put the clothes for drying. So by that I take use washing machine which provided by the college. So it's easy, and so I just separate some money according to food court. Like I have this much of money to spend in that food court. Either that I can't spend more than this, and some money for savings. Like for our institution we need something, and some things for study materials. Like because of that college we have to do some practicals, assignments. So we need money for that to make that project work. So I just separate my money in different parts, so we can also save from that, and we can also spend in some proper way and use that money.
Okay, properly said. As he said, like he is the right person who faces all types of like emotional feel. And you have any points to be discussed? So we can conclude that work-life balance. Like first point, you were sharing like all your academic pressures as well as the teacher-student relationship. How do you feel about the teacher-student relationship in our college?
It's very good, man, because teachers are very supportive. If we do some mistakes, they not be so rude and they just shout at us. They just give us very best advice to do that thing.
So very happy to receive the same, and all the points are valid. So first point, time management, saying politely no, and time management, have a small break, taking an entertainment after that, taking a creative entertainment or enthusiastic music after that, learning. So teaching learning process. So you have covered almost all the points in the work-life balance. To add on to this, always have the priority. If your priority is towards your personal life, give the priority. For example, your father is so sick, you give the priority in spite of everything. Give your heart first and then your brain second. That is what I feel as a professional as well as a family maker. I used to handle, like, when the priority goes towards my my family side. If somebody is sick, I'll take care of them, and then I'll come back to work. Once you take care of them sufficiently, your own health also, you will feel that you are managing your family as well as your professional work in a beautiful way. The final point is, you are going to answer one particular judge, that is your own consciousness. So we have to be very true to our consciousness. That way we can maintain the work-life balance in a beautiful way. Hope we have covered almost all the points. Thank you. Thank you all. And a best